Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So normally when I do a case review or unboxing or something for a case, I don't normally do a follow-up video in most cases, but I had to give you a follow-up video on the Otterbox Pro Series for the iPhone XS Max. Just the Pro Series period, and for the Max, I've had this actually on the phone. I've left it on the phone for the last 3 days or so. And I took it to the game with me. I've just left it on. And good thing the iPhone has great battery life. I tested it I had took it off only to review a battery case, but for the most part, I've been using this for 3 days. So I took this out right now. I love Otterboxes. I do have a tempered glass on here. The tempered glass is by GPL. For those that asked, it's by GPL. I'll try to remember to link a video to that I've done down below. But if not, just search my channel for the GPL. Just type in GPL, Mr. J.L. Williams, iPhone XS Max, and you will see the case or the video for this. But this case gives the iPhone some serious grip. Now, I do have a skin on here. Let me pop this case off, by the way, because I haven't taken it off, man. And I'm like, oh, man. This case, I will say, you know, I gave the case to other people and I asked them what they thought about it, and they actually just loved it. They were like, oh, my gosh, I love this case and I love it. And I'm like, wow, having it on for so long, you know, it became a little bulky at one point. But this is the first time, oh man, the phone's going to feel so different with it off. But the phone with this case on, it has something that I want from manufacturers. Now, I don't want a rugged phone. But what I do want is a grippy phone. But unfortunately, you can't have that when you have a premium smartphone. You just don't get the grip on the sides nowadays. Everybody thinks glass and steel is the way to go. This case, though, definitely gives the phone grip, and it also gives it protection. Because I actually dropped it. I was like, oh, snap. You know, I dropped it. But obviously, this is the Otterbox Pro Series, so I'm going to get that great protection. My phone is still in pristine condition. Obviously, not a mark on it. It's doing good, but I'm actually really used to using this case now. I don't know, it feels weird, you know, not having it on, but this is a big bulky case. This is a bulky case, and look at how much it adds to the phone. It really just extends the phone out really wide. And that's one complaint that I have about the case, is that it makes it a little wider than I want. But I do like this case. Obviously, I'm going to keep, I'm not going to return it. This isn't a video about me getting rid of it. This is just me letting you know how I feel about it after 3 days of continuous use. It makes the phone wider than I would like. Like, here's my Otterbox for the, this is the symmetry for the Note 9, as you can see. And I'm considering getting the symmetry for this phone because I know the symmetry won't be as bulky as this. I really like this symmetry case right here. I leave it on the Note 9 pretty much. And I've got a white stone dome on that one. But, you know, this case right here, I can recommend it. You know, and as the recording of this video is December 10th, this is only $44 at Best Buy. Now, I paid $60 for it just a few days ago, and they obviously gave me a credit back for the difference, which is about $16 with the taxes. So, you know, it's totally worth it for $44, folks. I would definitely recommend it. And I have big hands, you know what I'm saying? But still, this could be a little too wide for most people. But when I gave it to women and just different young people, I just gave it to different people to hold, and they were like, wow, it's awesome. Like, I gave it to young women, young men, older women. They all said the same thing. They didn't say it felt too wide. They just said, man, that case feels awesome. You know, do they sell it for my phone? I'm like, yeah, you should try to search around, go to Otterbox and see if you can find it. But I think the phone, other than it feeling a little too wide, I definitely recommend it. And I have, you guys know, I've got a lot of cases for the iPhone. I mean, I've got a lot of cases for all of these phones, but I wouldn't mind. Now, even though I'm telling you that it's a little too wide and, you know, this is how I feel about it, I still could wear this. I'm used to wearing it now. So you see me putting it back on. I've gotten so used to wearing this case that, you know, when I take it off just now, that's the first time I've taken it off, and it just feels weird. My wife actually uses one of these on her iPhone XS, and it looks good because it's even smaller. But I will recommend this probably for anyone who has an iPhone. This case right here is definitely rugged. It'll protect your phone, and I'm just used to the grip now. So just having it off for that short period of time, it feels weird. So I'll take it off again soon though, but I'm just used to having it. And like I said, good thing that the iPhone has great battery life, because if it didn't, I don't think I would enjoy, you know, having this open. This will get weak eventually. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. I like it. I really like it. I like it a lot. I love all the lip protection that I get around the top, and the phone is just protected. I don't think this phone will break with this combination that I have. I don't think it will. I've got the tempered glass on there. I've got the Otterbox, and this is the screenless version, by the way, too. And all those other ones that had the plastic on the front, I took that out anyway. So it didn't really matter to me that they stopped putting the plastic screens in there. That didn't faze me because I actually took it out every time. So with that being said, you know, I would say grab you a tempered glass, get you a white stone dome, or get you a G-Pel. The reason I recommend the G-Pel is because here's the thing. Comparing the G-Pel and the white stone dome, I would recommend the G-Pel over the white stone dome. That's just real honest opinion, because the price, it's not that the white stone dome is bad. It's just that the G-Pel protects even good, and it adheres to the entire screen. It's not one of those ones that go along the edges. It actually goes over the entire screen. So that's another video. But this case with tempered glass, your choice of a tempered glass, I think you would really enjoy your phone in this, especially if you have the smaller iPhone 10s or, you know, 10 or whatever, or just a smaller iPhone. If they have the Pro series available for yours, I definitely would recommend it. Yeah, I'm feeling it, man. It's a very nice. This is probably the best Otterbox that I've had in a long time. For real. This is really good, man. I really can appreciate this Otterbox. So I want to give you a follow video because I took this thing out. I took it to the game, you know, I dropped it, I sat on it, I did everything. I was like, oh snap, you know, and I kept filming and everything came out great, man. I mean, photos didn't come out washed out or anything. I took a lot of night shots and photos were good. No washing out of the photos because of that black ring around there. I'm glad they have that around there. That's just the way most cases are today. But sorry for the extended look at this case right here, man. But I really like it. Even though I feel like it makes the phone too wide, I'm used to it now. So muscle memory has kicked in, and taking it off is going to be tough. Just like I said with my Galaxy Note 9, the symmetry doesn't have as much grip, obviously, but this is good because the Note 9 is kind of a narrow phone. So I'm probably going to get the symmetry for this one too, just to have it and check it out and see how I like it. Yeah, I'm thinking about it, man. I'm thinking about it. I wish they would make an Otterbox for the OnePlus 6T. That would be nice because I've already got their edge-to-edge screen on there. But this case that they have is actually really solid. So, yeah. It's your man, Jay Will. Quick follow-up video. I've never really reviewed an extended look at a case. You know, my apologies if this was too long or boring to you. But I just wanted to give you a real-world experience with this case, man. I like it just that much. The flaw that I found is probably something that you guys would say, well, you knew it was going to be like that anyway. Well, I didn't. You know, I didn't know it was going to make the phone feel a little bit wider, but the phone itself is already kind of a wide phone. So I'm feeling it, though. I've gotten it. It makes the phone a little heavy. I will say that. It does make the phone a little heavy, but it's something that you can work with, man. I think and even though, like, again, I have Apple Care on here, but still, you know, you want to protect your phone. You don't want to have to use the insurance, because if you have to use the insurance for Apple Care for the iPhone XS Max to replace it, for a deductible, is $269. I have Apple Care directly through Apple. I don't do the carrier stuff because I don't want any payments on my account and all that stuff. So I have it directly through Apple, if you're wondering. And if you have to replace this phone, it's $269. But considering what I pay for it, that's a good deal. So if the phone cracks or anything, it's only $29 to fix my screen or something like that, and $99 to fix the back or something like that, they told me, with my deductible or something like that. I don't know, but the point is, I don't want to use the insurance, but I don't mind having it. But I feel like having this case, I wouldn't even have to have the insurance. After the stuff I did with this over the weekend, man, this thing got beat up a little bit, and I checked and I was like, wow, the phone is still fantastic. So it's your man Jay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, sorry if this was a boring long video about a case, but I just wanted to show you my passion in it with the tech stuff, because I really enjoy any part of tech. So this is a part of tech, protecting the tech. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.